What if ancient Rome never fell? Look closely. These ruins were once unstoppable. Stone by stone, this empire rose from dust into the most powerful civilization on Earth. Over 1 million people living, trading, fighting inside a city that controlled the world. But what if time reversed? What if every broken column, every shattered wall began to rebuild itself? Watch carefully. The cracks disappear. The marble shines again. The empire breathes. The Colosseum roars with life. Crowds gather. History is no longer history. For a moment, Rome stands again, not as memory, but as reality. A world that never collapsed, a story that never ended. Or did it?